We're back from Hurricane Milton. Survived that with a new pour in our Crystal Edge A mold, which is probably our most sparkly edge mold. I'm using Art Pro Resin by Resin Pro, and I mixed up probably around 7 ounces. I split that between 3 different mica colors, purple, blue, and a pink, and kept a little for the bottom and for the push at the end. I did use about 8 scoops of powder, tiny scoops that we have, and waited till the resin got to actually 33 degrees Celsius, even though Kevin shows me at only 31 degrees Celsius there. This is a pretty easy pour. You just put a little bit of the clear resin on the bottom, and I think I used a little bit too much here. You put that down to get the colors to move. Then you just puddle pour. I started with the blue. Make sure it all gets out there. Then added the pink. And then put the purple on top. I said there was too much clear resin on the bottom because you can kind of see it pushing up the edges, and I didn't like that. I did put a little bit of clear resin in there so I could open it up to put some glitter, and I had some glitter glass and some pretty bright glitter as well. Then I used a heat gun just to kind of move the colors around a little bit. After the resin had cured, it was time to demold. Doesn't get easier than that. Tell us what you think about it in the comments below.